Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. Today is Wednesday, May 12th. It's around lunchtime, around noon. I'm going to be showing you how to roll losing cash secured puts. If you've been paying attention to the market for the past couple days, everything's been tanking. I went from breaking even or even cash positive on a lot of my options. 2-3 days happen, like I get like minus 10% in the market. Well, mainly minus 10% to everything I've been holding because my luck is terrible. Now everything's at a loss. I'm going to show you guys how to roll. So I do have a plan right now. I'll probably split this into two videos. I'll probably do a poor man's covered call in my next one, just so it doesn't become too long. But let me zoom in here. So I'm going to roll Fastly from 55 down to 50 and another 30 days. I'm going to roll DraftKings from 50 to 45, 30 days. Mara from 25 to 22. Riot from 31 to 28. So some of these will still be in a loss position, but won't be as big of a loss. Hopefully I'll be able to make some money rolling them. I think on Mara and Riot, the IV is high enough where I can still make money rolling it. But Fastly and DraftKings, I will take a small loss. Not as big, not as big of a loss as I would expect, or if I accepted shares. The reason why I'm not accepting shares, the past couple times I've accepted shares, the stock just kept tanking. So I accepted Workhorse at $20. Now it's at $8. So I'm losing $10,000 at least. Kind of frustrating. So I'm going to roll these forever and not get assigned, just because getting assigned just hasn't been working out for me. So first up is Fastly. I have the May 21st 55 put. I sold it for $130. Now it's $12.95. A huge loss. So I'm going to roll it out another 30 days and see what happens. So to roll, you basically buy back. So since I sold it, you have to buy it back at the same exact one. It's pretty much accepting a loss. And then I'm going to sell another 30 days and roll it down $5. So from, I have to go to 50. So from 55 to 50, and then it'll cost me, I'm not saving that much here. So I'm going to I'm obviously taking a loss. Notice how it says DR, debit. If I go 3.75. So what's happening here, I'm saving $500 a contract, but I'm paying $375 a contract to do it, so it's not the best. I am saving $500, paying $375 to do it. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. I do hope this gets filled. So buy to close, sell to open. It is costing me $1,000. This is a $1,000 loss. Kind of frustrating. What is next on the list? Okay. See how quick it got filled? I probably could have got a better price on it, but what can you do? So I'm at a loss already. DraftKings. Let's find DKNG. So DraftKings. I sold the 50 put for $1. Now it's $8.35. Just my luck. So I'm going to go custom add a put 2. So buy back the same one you sold. I sold the 50 strike. I'm going to roll it down to 45. And this will cost me, let's say 3. So saving $500, costing me $300 to do it. All right. So I'm at a $1,700 loss today so far. And for May, it's May 12th. I've only done 2 trades. So I'm going to be losing a lot, but that's fine. Mara, let's roll it down. Let's go Mara. All right. I sold the 25 put for $93 a contract. Now it's $310 a contract, and I sold 10 of them. So that is rough. And these are, put. So buy back 10 for the 25. This is basically doing the same thing 4 times, but hopefully, I'm wondering if I can make money on some of these. You see this, how now it's a credit. If I roll it down, $1. Like I will make a credit. What if I roll down $2? Could make $600 if I own Mara. I think I would just keep rolling it. Oh, right now it's at, look at this. It is tanking. It opened up at 26. It was at 26 high. Now it's at 23. Do I go down further to 22? This would be out of the money. Oh, look at this. I could still make, if I go point 2, I could still make $200. Again, buy to close. So this is an example of high IV. I'm able to roll it down 3 strikes, like $300 per contract, and still get paid for it. So I will do that. And then last one, let's try to do the same for Riot. Riot, I assume, is doing very poorly. Okay, here we go. Riot's going down a lot. Let's see what happens. Riot sold 10 contracts for 108. Now they're 510. My luck is amazing. Add a put, buy 10, sell 10. So let's see what we have here. June, if we sell, yeah, do you see this? If I go down, I don't think I want to lose too much. I don't know. If I go down to 27, I'll be paying $400, $500. Yeah, there's no way for me to make money on this one. I'm rolling it down too much. I guess if I go 28, I might be able to break. No, let's just do this. I will go 45. So today was like a $2,000 loss day. Kind of frustrating, but what can you do with things like Fastly tanking so much? It went down 8% today. What can you do? I don't want to get assigned. I'm going to keep rolling them and just see what happens. It is pretty rough. There are certain other ones I think I want to keep rolling. Where are they? So Neo, I think I might just take assignment on Neo. I don't mind at 37.5. There's Spotify. I don't think I mind Spotify at 240 either. Might roll it, might keep it. We'll see what happens. I might roll it 30 days if I can make a couple $100. I'm going to be updating this next time, so I'll show you, I think, minus 2,000. So I made, 13,000 in April, but now it's looking like I'll be running a loss looks like I'll be running a loss here. But yeah, I will update this for next time. I am going to do another video right now completely separate on how to do the updating your poor man's covered call. I think I'm going to buy Tesla. I think I'm going to buy Tesla poor man's covered call. But yeah, this is a fairly short video, I hope. Where's my timer? I can't see the timer, but fairly short video taking losses. Like I've been showing you guys nonstop videos on making money. Now I have to take a loss. Everything is tanking. Like if you look, everything is red minus Bank of America. But yeah, you win some, you lose some. Today is $2,000 loss day. But what can you do? Thanks for watching and tune into the next one.